a nuclear power and refinery background business to the APC business, responsible for the design, manufacturing, and service of equipment manufactured by AirClear LLC. Rich has a unique perspective related to the proper design of FBME. A provider of air pollution control equipment, AirClear LLC designs custom solutions for a varied customer base rooted in the manufacturing and refining markets. AirClear designs and manufactures 3 core products at its Elkton, Maryland facility. Its primary products include thermal oxidizers, regenerative and recuperative, as well as FBME, aka mist eliminators, coalescing fiber bed filters. AirClear augments its primary products with scrubbers and shell and tube heat exchangers. And now to get this webinar officially started, here are Rich and Dave, starting off in the form of a question that they hope to answer today. Rich and Dave, go right ahead.
Even when you get what you pay for, did you get the most value for your money?
Yes, that may be a better way to phrase the question. But regardless of how you state it, understanding the key design criteria for the design of a fiber bed mist eliminator
잠시 후 좌회전입니다. 이어서 우회전입니다.
Some of our participants may not fully understand exactly how a fiber bed mist eliminator works. Can you explain the primary mechanics involved in the filtration process?
The fiber bed filters work by interception, impaction, and Brownian motion. Each removes particles in different size ranges and allows the liquid aerosol to be coalesced into larger droplets.
잠시 후 우회전입니다. 이어서 170m 앞 우측 방향입니다.
Yes, the name candles came about because of their long cylindrical shape, similar to a candle.
전방에 과속 방지턱이 있습니다.
Mist collectors, or just plain filters. All of these names are used interchangeably.
The number of filters is determined by the airflow cubic feet per minute and the design velocity range selected.
잠시 후
Best
우측
understand this time-proven
방향입니다.
technology. I think a brief look at its origin would be worthwhile.
The mist eliminators were developed at the Hanford Project in Washington in the late 1940s. They were doing some work for the government where they had some aerosol mists that they definitely did not want to get into the atmosphere. So they developed a research project to come up with the best filters to remove aerosol mists.
The final design report, which was developed by General Electric, who was the contractor for the Atomic Energy Commission, is extensive and full of great technical data collected during the research.
500m 앞 우측 방향입니다.
I find the way the team worked together to find a solution to a very difficult process is very impressive. The detail that they went into in this test was very impressive. For example, they changed the conditions of the superficial. As we can see in this statement, is the team is very pleased with their findings to develop a filter that removes such a high percentage of the aerosol mist.
As so often happens with technology, over the years it is adapted and applied to other areas. And as technology evolves, it moves into different industries and becomes an industry in its own right. And that's really what happened.
잠시 후 우측 방향입니다. 이어서 280m 앞 우회전입니다.
Tons of emissions from entering the atmosphere. Okay, we know now how well the fiber bed mist eliminators work and for how long.
300m 앞 율촌면사무소 방향 우회전입니다.
Designing a air pollution control system.
First, an engineer has to
잠시 후 우회전입니다.
air emission regulations they are required to meet. And next, he also